Hey, good evening, everyone. This is Eddie. Today I'm going to be signing an affiliation agreement form from the state of Michigan. So before I do that, I would like to record this as evidence of my signature. As you guys know, we live in a world of deepfake, and I don't want to make it any more difficult for them to be able to recognize who actually signed this. So um, this here is going to serve as an evidence that it came to me, and I'm going to be signing this. But first, we're going to overview it, and you guys can see everything. There is not a private NDA, I hope, NDA type of form. So I'm going to fill it out, and let's do that. So as you guys can see here, we've entered our location, and as you guys know, Kwaza game is an entertainment as a service company, and we provide, our goal is to provide opportunities for student interns and individuals who are trying to change career path or go to the next step in their journey to get their dream job and whatnot. So here we've had something similar to this for one of our interns, Amelia. As you guys, if you guys search through our videos, you'll be able to see that. She was a great intern. She made some decent models. Um, Anyways, this here seems to be an affiliation for uh, helping develop more engineers in the software development industry or path. And so um, I'm gonna send this out today. As you guys know, I am an entrepreneur in this case, CTO, and my schedule time wise is is all up to me. um, Anyways, so these are the responsibilities, 1, 2, 3 all the way to 6. They will help provide liability insurance and uh, further instruction about health insurance and stuff like that to their students. And we will provide instruction and guidance for the students, for our interns, and just ensure that they are getting the right tool set, learn, and just getting the best skill that it can possibly hone so that it can be successful. And I am hugely excited about this, as I was with the first couple of affiliation agreements with other universities. This year is huge because it's from an actual state university. Uh, as you can see, State University, uh, actually created by the state itself. So there's a huge deal, at least for me and for the company. Anyways, our goal is to get more, hopefully do our best so that other companies and uh, agencies and whatnot and organizations can actually see what we are doing and connect with us. Once our platform is done, we will have an application section where companies and whatnot can actually find it easy, fill out some form and make it easier for us to connect with them and for them to uh, you know increase their um, value or whatnot through us and stuff like that. It could be a school connecting with us to help, uh, you know, support their students, and or it could be a market agency, maybe a company, industry that produces products, and they want to connect with us and make that and allow us to integrate uh, Web3 system and pretty much connect it with our matrix and pretty much be able to make pretty all of that into a metaverse system. We have a lot of things planned, and you guys know we've already gave a little bit of teaser about currency and whatnot, and hopefully we will be able to release more information on that this year. And right now our goal is to just finish setting up the AIs back at the agencies and whatnot, agents, AI agents, and once we're done with that, we already have um, the e-commerce section. That's what is in progress right now. That's what I'm working on. It's easier for us to test the system, but it's a lot more difficult for us. It's a lot more of a challenge, not difficult. It's just it takes some time, honestly, to actually integrate all of these system fully into the overall server, and that's what we're working on right now, the e-commerce section of this. And once we are done, we'll be able to introduce the connectivity of Neverage and the web application itself, how the two things are going to work together. Um, Basically, as you interact with the game itself, which is a standalone client, some of your progression will require you to interact with the Web3 interface that we're making, and you'll be gathering resources through that, and you'll be able to use that and pretty much progress your avatar in two uh, places pretty much. And that will not be the end of it. We'll actually be integrating sport, like real world activities and things like that, into the system and trying to link those up with the actual matrix. And your avatar would not just be a digital version of, of you, in a sense. Like it won't just be a digital data. It will be also, it will try to integrate part of your actual physical activities, like if you go to a sport event, for example, or if you decide to do workouts and whatnot like that. All of those will be, you'll be able to track it. We will not track your data with all your information. You will be you will be allowed to opt into this matrix or opt out. It's all up to you guys, and that's one of the key thing I really want to stress out, because we don't want to be one of those organization that collects data behind people, use it in the wrong way, sell it, do this, do that. That's not what we're trying to do. Our main goal is to support and pretty much build a community, and a community that can support interdependency between people, trust, and things like that. And as you can see here, this is part of it, of us being noticed. And I'm sorry that I'm actually sounding this late, but I had a busy day, and yep, it's all of this is all part of the plan, and things are coming together, and we are very excited about everything that is happening as we move forward. Anyways, these are our mutual understanding, mutual agreements, and whatnot. And the students assigned to this practical experience should be considered student, not employee. Obviously, we try to make this clear in the onboarding process. Uh, as you guys, if anyone here actually interned with us before, we always ask if you have a form to fill out. And we try to clarify whether you are a student or you are not, and stuff like that, before you even intern with us. So this is very, very important. And yeah, so this part is something we've already been doing from the start. So um, and both parties shall maintain general liability insurance. Again, with us, we are an agile company, and we do not this term is very negative and whatnot, but I have to say we do not force work. We do not force students to do stuff because we are an agile. Our main goal as an agile team and pretty much remote agile team for the most part for now is to make sure that people livelihood and that daily activities are catered to as first priority before they work with us. Um, our goal is to make it easier for people to gain a skill that they want to gain based on the effort and the time that they are able to provide for their personal development with the support from us. And so, yeah, so that's part of our overall mission as a company, a remote agile company. So, and liability insurance, things like that. And both our program is to add in an ethical and responsible manner for their respective activities and action taken on its behalf under this program and agree to comply with all applicable federal, state, and local law regulations, statutes, and ordinances, and yada yada yada. Age, color, we do not discriminate. As you guys know, we have LGBT members. We have people from uh, like we have different language. We have people from different backgrounds, ethnicity, and stuff. And we have Indian. We've had Indians. We've had Chinese, Korean, uh, like different traditional people, and we've never discriminated. Uh, our goal is is so big that we can't really afford to do simple things like these. These are not even in the picture when it comes to what we are focused on. So yeah, so I'm gonna fill this out. I'll put my name as the CTO here. I'll put my title. Put a date in here. Give me a second just to clarify things. I gotta look at my forms. All right, and not a feature. Let's check some grammar, things like that. And yeah, well, you guys have actually seen everything, and just for video evidence and whatnot. And I filled out my part. I'm gonna seal this and then send it over. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you are let's see, a goldsmith company. I don't know. This is gonna be later, but anyways, we're gonna release black chips, Kwaza black chips. These chips are going to be NFC NFTs, and these will be embedded with uh, blockchain data, like your how you call this hash IDs and stuff like that for your currency, cryptocurrency. And anyways, what I'm trying to go to is that if you're a company, organization, or whatever that is in Web3, the hype has died down, and I know a lot of companies are phasing out. But if you guys have anything associated with creating new technology, or you want to collaborate or whatnot, become affiliate, or if you're a store or anything, um, or an industry in an industry that produces product, right? That you think will fit well into the Internet of Things, IoT, and stuff like that, and you would like to contact me, you can uh, you can message me on LinkedIn. You can also follow the company and see our progress. We started, I think, last year, and we've been going slowly but steadily, and here we are now. And yeah, so that's that. I don't want to make this too long than it already is. Um, I'll see you guys in the next video that I make. And again, thanks to whoever started this or the overall process. And as you guys can see now, this is the evidence, and I'm gonna send this to you guys. Thank you again. Bye bye.